I'm Anna Ziliotto, the curator of CULTEXP database. I will explain the main features of CULTEXP, offer a glimpse of what happens behind the user's interface, and what are the future functionalities of CULTEXP. CULTEXP is the first multilingual and cross-jurisdictional database on cultural expertise powered by human and machine translation. It is one of the primary outputs of EuroExpert, and it was selected for the proof of concept ERC to demonstrate its feasibility and potential. At present, CULTEXP is a demonstrator which is operational in its environment with 16 European countries, including 14 languages, some of which use non-Roman script. CULTEXP works thanks to an original technology which enables to identify, archive, retrieve and cite any court decision and any expert reports from any country or jurisdiction of the world. Our data are particularly clean because our technology removes redundancies and doubles. CULTEXP is open access. Its target users are the members of the legal professions and the beneficiaries of cultural expertise. But no training is necessary for accessing CULTEXP. It is free and does not necessitate subscription. CULTEXP is for everyone. Users can start a search in any language and/or keyword or by selecting a country. Search results appear that show the summaries match and the free text matches. Each item, judgment and/or the related expert report, if any, provides rigorous legal citations in the original language and according to applicable legal conventions, the summary of the judgment and/or expert report, and the downloadable text of the document in PDF version. Each case is provided show tags to find whether one or more experts were involved in the case, whether the expert was appointed by the court or the parties, whether the expert report is a written report, oral testimony or both, and the area of law involved in the judgment. Research can be refined by keyword. Search results can be translated in any language. The curator receives data in the form of spreadsheet which needs standardization concerning the language of the summaries, the format of the citations, GDPR's and inclusive language compliance. At the same time, a research assistant will create a JSON file with the directory of the jurisdictions. When this process is complete, an IT assistant will create the import me JSON file with the make data command and activate the sync down service to push the data on the front end. When the data is on the front end, the curator continues their verification and amend and update the back end as necessary. CULTEXP has a very efficient system of update, which has been tested and validated with an increasing size of data and jurisdictions. This continuous process of standardization, data cleaning and update means that we have a very reliable pool of data for technological enhancement. CULTEXP was identified as a catalyzer for cultural expertise and has the potential now to become first digital platform offering the know-how of cultural expertise. Thanks to an enhanced technology, we could provide for the first time in open access truly interoperable metadata and an unprecedented global directory of jurisdictions. The future of CULTEXP lies in its potential for exponential scale-up and for a technological enhancement, supervised by the scientific communities, the members of the legal professions, and the beneficiaries of cultural expertise. Join us to make CULTEXP an even more accessible tool for a more inclusive justice. Many thanks for your attention and looking forward to see you on CULTEXP and our social media.